Hello friends, welcome to our channel 90 Ideas. If you like these ideas, first of all like the video, click the subscribe, press the like on this video, share to your friends, family members. Creative scrap metal recycling projects for home decor. Welcome to our channel. Today we are dividing into the world of scrap metal recycling, is exploring how you can turn old discarded metal pieces into stunning home decorations. With a bit of creativity and some basic tools, you can transform scrap metal into unique and eye-catching decors. Let's get started with some innovative projects ideas. One of the simplest and most impactful projects is creating metal wall art. Start by gathering various scrap metal pieces such as old gears, nuts, bullets, and washers. Arrange these items on pieces of polywood or directly onto wall to create a design. Transforming scrap metal into counters is both functional and stylish. You can use old metals, cans, buckets, or even discarded machinery parts for a rustic look. Clean the metal thoroughly and leave it as you can spray paint for pop of color. Bring your garden to life with unique metal sculptures. Use scrap metal parts like pipes, sheets, and wires to construct figures or abstract forms. For instance, you can weld or bolt together various scrap to create animals, flowers, or abstract shapes. If welding is not an option, use metal brackets and screws to assemble your sculpture. A coat of weather-resistant paint can add an extra layer of protection and vibrancy. These sculptures can add character and charm to your outdoor space. Script videos complement overview several creative recycling projects that use scrap metal suitable for engaging YouTube audience. So don't forget like, share, subscribe for more dye and recycling projects. Thanks for watching.